When waitress came back to give change return to the old lady, she found that old lady was out of the gate. The waitress wondered where the lady could be. Then she noticed something written on the napkin. The lady waitress came back to return the change to that old lady, but by the time the old lady was out of the door, she thought where the lady could be, and here this lady waitress noticed something written on the napkin. There There were tears in her eyes when she read what the lady wrote. You don't owe me anything. I have been there too. Somebody once helped me out the way I am helping you. If you really want to pay me back, here is what you can do. Do not let this change of love and with you. Here, when the lady saw something written on napkin, she go through the reading, and there were tears in her eyes. She wrote that what the old lady had written on that napkin. She narrate all story. That means all those words that Brian Simpson told her. She simply requested this waitress not to return the change of her bill if she really wanted to owe her. Keep this change with her. This was only the way to help her, and that was not help to her, but as she was owed to her. Under the napkin were four more 400 pound bill. There were tables to clear, sugar bowls to fill, and people to serve, but the waitress made it through another day. The night when she got home from work and climbed into bed, she was thinking about the money and the lady had written. How could the lady have known how much she and her husband needed it with the baby arriving next month? It was going to be hard. She knew how worried her husband was. As he lay sleeping next to her, she gave him a soft hug and whispered softly, "Don't worry, Brian. Everything is going to be all right." Hear how this story ends in a proper way, the right way. As lady left the hotel, the waitress collected the letter written on napkin. There she found 4 more 100 pounds. She took those 400 with that letter. That day she didn't finish the rest of the work in hotel but came back home. While lying on bed, she thought of why this lady had done so. She wanted to find the answer. She realized how that lady come to know that she and her husband were both were badly in need of money as they were going to give a baby next month, give a birth of baby next month. Both husband and wife were worried about this the arrival of the new baby as they were having a little amount with them. They were poor. So this made lady think, or this waitress think, how could that lady come to know about her need? But anyway, She put everything aside and gave a tight hug to her husband, saying this that as she knew very well that her husband was very much worried about the arrival of the baby, she uttered the word, soothing her husband, saying this word, "Not to worry, Brian Simpson, everything is going to be all right," as she got extra 400 pounds. So now she was now both were in position to afford the arrival of baby. So here we come to know when this lady waitress gave tight hug to her husband, who was there? The same person who had helped the old lady on the way was nobody else but Brian Simpson. This is why the title of this lesson is very, very appropriate to the story. Brian Simpson helped the old lady without thinking of reward in the manner of money. But by the time he told the old lady to promise him she would help as and when she finds anyone badly in need of help. Here, this old lady found this waitress badly in need of help in the manner of money. She she remembered Brian Simpson word. This old lady remembered Brian Simpson word and did the same thing as she promised to him. Thus, she felt relief that she did something good to others. So, friends, students, here is the story that explains us, that says us, never disappoint us, do the best to our life and hope for the best, but prepare for the worst. Thank you. Good day.